You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -24. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -24.